Meggie? What is it?
I'm all right.
But you're not. If you just talk to me.
There's nothing wrong with me. Leave me alone.
Meggie?
Meggie.
She's doing it again, Father. She's been like this ever since little Hal died.
I know. She won't talk to me either. Well, we can't let this go on. Meggie. Meggie, listen to me. You've got to stop this. I know how much you loved Hal, but you can't go on grieving this way. Meggie, please. You're wasting away before my very eyes. I can't bear it.
Father, make me so ashamed. It's not Hal. I mean, I do miss him, but...
Well, what then? Are you sick?
I can't tell you.
You can tell me anything. That's what I'm here for. I'm a priest, and I love you just the way God loves you, wee Meggie.
Father, I'm dying.
Dying?
Just like Hal. Only it's some kind of tumor or something, Father.
How do you know this, dear heart?
I get the most awful pains, Father. And then there's a lot of blood. But it's not all the time.
Just every month or so.
Yes. How did you know that?
My precious girl. You're not dying. You're growing up. Why your mom didn't explain all this to you? She should have, you know.
You mean Mom does it too?
All healthy women do, Meggie. Except when they're expecting a baby, and then it's needed to nourish the baby inside their womb. You understand?
Sort of. Like when it says, "Blessed be the fruit of thy womb, Jesus"?
Yeah, that's right. Meggie, do you know what makes babies?
Of course, Father. It comes from mating, like the rams and the ewes. I've tried to watch them, but Daddy said I mustn't. But I've heard the boys talking. Isn't that right, Father?
Yes, but, you see, Meggie, it's very different with people. Or it should be, because God intended, I think, that when a man and a woman mate, they do it as a way of showing their love for each other. So it's a mating not just of bodies, but of souls.
It must be so wonderful.
So I understand.
Will it be that way for you and me?
What?
When I grow up and we get married.
Meggie, you know priests can't marry.
You can always stop being a priest.
No. Oh, no, Meggie, darling. I can never stop being a priest. Not ever. What about those tarts you promised me? Huh?
Yes. Come on. Father, I'm so glad I'm not dying. What would I ever do without you?
Silly, you'll never be without me.